In this video, you will learn how to trade gold on TradingView. Log into your TradingView account, go to the TradingView website or app and sign in with your registered account. If you're new, create one for free. Search for gold. In the search bar at the top, type in XAU or USD to open the gold price chart against the US dollar. Analyze the gold chart. Use TradingView's powerful indicators, draw tools, timeframes to analyze the gold market, such as the trends and potential entry points. Connect your broker account. Click on the trading panel at the bottom of your screen and connect a supported broker. This could be Forex.com or Pepperstone or another one to your TradingView account. Set up your trading parameters. Choose whether you want to buy, long or sell, short, gold. Then set your price, size, stop loss and take profit directly on your chart. Execute and monitor your trade. Click place order to execute the trade. Once active, monitor your positions using TradingView live chart, then adjust your strategy as you need to. Now you know how to trade gold on TradingView. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.